Welcome. This is for showing the deal configurations feature in Carcinia. As you can see, we're here in the home screen. We go to the admin section in our locations. Now the deal configurations are used basically set up in the location section because they're location specific. So I'm going to be clicking on the locations. Most of the time dealers are going to have a single configuration name. As you can see here, there's one configuration for California, for example. If you have multiple dealerships spread out through different states with different rules and different defaults, then you may want to set up different configurations. But each configuration has a different value set, and you can define the deal configuration here and then edit the values. So now we're going to be clicking on the values. In this one we have some predefined sets. Here you can see, for example, the documentation fee has two values. One of them is a standard, the other one is law. This is the maximum value as allowed by the state of California. Your state rules may be different, so you would actually define different values, and if you want to charge less documentation fee for some reason, you can also make it enter it as a different option. Like let's say, for example, we have a new tax rate for San Fernando or Los Angeles County. So we're going to be saying add new configuration value. We have a new tax rate for Los Angeles, and let's say our tax rate is 6.75, and we're going to be adding the configuration value here. So once we define the deal configuration, we can actually assign it to a location. Here you can see the deal configuration as California. You can also use it in all your locations, obviously, if they're in the same state, or if you actually define different deal configurations, you can assign different deal configurations to your locations. So let's see how it's being utilized. Go to the deal wizard. So I think by default we're using the user's default location when creating a deal. So in this case I'm logged in as the demo user, and you can see that my location is East Territory. Let's change it to the Carcinia demo location so that we can see how it's being utilized. So I'm going to be going to the deal wizard and adding a new deal, and here you can see, for example, the transportation delivery charges automatically came to $295 because that was the first value. And the documentation fee was set to $55. If I change it to something else, this LA service shop, for example, location does not have any preset defaults, so it's leaving them as is. But the Carcinia demo in this case has some defaults, so if we were to switch back from a deal where these values were 0, you would see that they would be overridden by these defaults. And here, for example, you can see the changing of them, of the field values based on these presets. I can set it to 555 Los Angeles, and non-smogged or smogged. You can also set these fields here are custom fields, and you can also set preset values for them. Bank fees for finance fees, and then you can save your deal, and this is how they're utilized. Thank you, and contact us for more information.